Revolutionizing construction, BIM and the latest technologies. In the world of modern construction, a groundbreaking technology has emerged, transforming the way buildings are designed, constructed, and managed. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is at the forefront of this revolution. BIM is much more than just a 3D modeling tool. It's an intelligent process that enables collaboration, data sharing, and efficient decision making throughout the entire construction lifecycle. BIM Design Phase. In the design phase, BIM allows architects, engineers, and other stakeholders to collaborate in real time within a virtual environment. This fosters innovation, reduces errors, and ensures all parties are on the same page. BIM and Cloud Integration. With the integration of BIM into the cloud, project information becomes accessible from anywhere, at any time. Construction teams can access up-to-date models, drawings, and data on-site using mobile devices. IoT and BIM. The marriage of Internet of Things, IoT, and BIM empowers buildings with smart capabilities. Sensors within the building gather real-time data on energy usage, temperature, and occupancy, allowing for optimal building performance and energy efficiency. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, in BIM. VR and AR technologies enable stakeholders to experience the building before it's constructed. This immersive experience aids in identifying design flaws, making adjustments, and enhancing overall project visualization. BIM for facility management. BIM's usefulness extends beyond construction. During the operational phase, facility managers use BIM to track maintenance schedules, manage assets, and streamline building operations, ultimately prolonging the building's lifespan. BIM and AI. Artificial intelligence integrated into BIM analyzes vast amounts of data, leading to data-driven decision-making. This ensures buildings are optimized for efficiency, occupant comfort, and sustainability. As technology continues to evolve, so does BIM, propelling the construction industry into the future. By embracing BIM and its latest technological advancements, we are building smarter, safer, and more sustainable structures for generations to come.